Welcome to our Guru. Namaskaram. I am Radha Mahesh from Hyderabad. For over 3 decades, our family has celebrated the beautiful tradition of Bommagulu. For the past 15 years, it's also been my creative journey, choosing a new theme each year, handcrafting idols and bringing stories from our scriptures to life. In the past, I have presented themes like Ramayana, Krishna Leela, Dashavataram, Sai Satcharitra, MS Subbalakshmi and Amman, each one holding a special place in my heart. This year, my theme is Hanuman Chalisa, celebrating the devotion, strength and grace of Lord Hanuman through art and storytelling. I am delighted to share the glimpses of this year's Golu with you. The Kuttuvalakku brass lamps have been decorated as Rama, Lakshmana, Sita and Hanuman. Hanuman Chalisa was composed by Goswami Tulsidas ji in the 16th century in Awadhi language. It is a 40-verse devotional hymn with 2 introductory dohas and a doha at the end. It praises the power and other qualities of Lord Hanuman, including his strength, courage, wisdom and devotion towards Lord Rama. Sri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nijaman Mukuru Sudhari Baranau Raghubar Bimal Jasu Jodhayak Falachari Buddhihina Tanu Janike Sumiro Pavan Kumar Balu Buddhi Vidya Dehu Mohi Harahu Kales Vikar. In the introductory verses, Tulsidas invokes his Guru's grace. I clean my mind with my Guru's grace and sing Lord Ram's pure glory, which gives the 4 fruits of life, righteousness, wealth, joy and liberation. O Hanuman, son of the wind god, bless me with strength, wisdom and knowledge and remove my miseries and imperfections. Jai Hanuman Gyana Gun Sagar, Jai Kapis Tihu Lok Ujagar. Glory to Hanuman, ocean of wisdom and virtue, who shines in all the 3 worlds. Hanuman flew along with the sun god's chariot to seek knowledge. This shows the dedication and zeal to gain knowledge. Ramadut Atulit Baladama Anjani Putra Pavan Sutanama. You are Lord Ram's messenger, strong and mighty, son of Anjana and the wind god. Hanuman in Ravana's darbar as a messenger. Mahavir Bikram Bajarangi Kumati Nivar Sumatike Sangi. Brave and powerful Hanuman, you remove evil thoughts and give wisdom. Kanchan Baran Viraj Subesa Kanan Kundal Kunchit Kesa Hath Bajra or Dwaja Viraje Kande Munj Janevu Saje. You shine like gold, beautifully dressed with earrings and curly hair. This represents purity of heart, mind and uncontaminated intent. You carry a thunderbolt and a victory flag and wear the sacred thread. Shankar Suvan Kesari Nandan Tej Pratap Mahajagvandan. You are Lord Shiva's incarnation and the son of Kesari. Your power is praised everywhere. Punjiksthala was an Apsara or celestial nymph who was born as Anjana and married King Kesari and gave birth to Hanuman with the help of Lord Vayu and blessings of Lord Shiva. Thus Hanuman is Anjani Putra, Kesari Nandan, Shankar Suvan, Pavan Putra. Vidyavan Guni Atichatur, Ramakaj Karibeko Atur. Hanuman was always eager to serve Lord Ram. Hanuman saved Bhakta Ramadas' son. Hanuman was learned, virtuous and wise. Hanuman never had ego of his knowledge and power. In this context, we have 2 incidents from the Mahabharata. Bhima once met an old monkey whose tail blocked his path. Proud of his strength, he tried to lift it but failed. The monkey revealed himself as Hanuman, blessed Bhima and reminded him that humility is greater than strength. Arjuna once boasted he could build a bridge of arrows like Rama's monkey army. Hanuman tested him and the bridge failed until Krishna's grace made it strong. Humbled, Arjuna received Hanuman's blessing and Hanuman promised to stay on his battle flag in the Kurukshetra war. Thus, a person's ego makes him weak, but humility makes him truly powerful. Prabhu Charitra Sunibeko Rasya Ram Lakhan Sita Man Basya. You are delighted listening to tales of Lord Rama. Rama, Lakshmana and Sita dwell in your heart. Once Hanuman broke the necklace gifted by Mother Sita and searched for Ram in it. He then showed Rama Sita in his heart. Thus, true devotion means carrying God within always. सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा, भीम रूप धरि असुर सहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे. You took a tiny form to meet Mother Sita and burnt Lanka in a fierce form. You assumed a mighty form to slay demons, thus accomplishing Lord Rama's missions. Hanuman takes different forms as per the situation. It symbolizes the significance of flexibility in handling different circumstances. लाय संजीवन लखन जियाए, श्री रघुबीर हर्षि उरलाए, रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बढ़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही समभाई, सहस बदन तुमरो जस गावे, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे. You brought the Sanjeevani herb and revived Lakshmana. Lord Rama praised and embraced you, saying, "You are as dear to me as my brother Bharat." A devotee may be blessed by divine embrace if he follows the path of truth and righteousness and help others selflessly, just like Hanuman did. Sankadik Brahmadi Munisa, Narad Sarad Sahit Ahisa, Jam Kuber Dikpal Jahate, Kabiko Bid Kahi Sakhe Kahate. All the gods granted various boons, weapons and powers to Lord Hanuman. तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा, राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा. तुमरो मंद विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना. You helped Sugriva meet Lord Rama and regain his kingdom. Vibhishan followed your advice and became king of Lanka. Those who follow the path of dharma will get God's blessings. जुग सहस्र जो जन पर भानु, लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानु. As a child, you tried to swallow the sun located thousands of miles away, thinking it was a fruit. Prabhu mudrika mele mukhumahi, jaladi langikai acharaj nahi. Carrying Lord Rama's ring in your mouth, you crossed the ocean easily. Jambavan was a wise minister who reminded Hanuman of his powers. This symbolizes the role of a wise mentor in helping a devoted student unlock his true potential. Durgam kaaj jagat ke jete, sugam anugrah tumre tete. All difficult tasks become easy through your support and grace. Ram duare tum rakhware, hot n aagya binu paisare. You are the guardian at Rama's door. No one can enter without your permission. Sab sukh lahe tumhari sarna, tum rakshak kahu ko darna. Those who take refuge in you live happily and fear nothing. God can be realized through pure love, humility and surrender. Aapan tej samharo aape, तीनों लोक हांकते कापे. You alone can handle your power. Your roar makes all the three worlds tremble. Ahiravan kidnapped Lord Rama and Lakshmana to the underworld. Hanuman took the Panchamukhi or five-faced form to extinguish 5 lamps at once, defeated Ahiravan and rescued them. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे. नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा. Evil spirits and ghosts flee when they hear your name. Chanting your name removes diseases and sorrows. संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जो लावे. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे. Those who remember you with heart and mind are freed from troubles. You carry out all of Lord Rama's work. Whoever sings your praises attain joy and success. चारों जुग प्रताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा. साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे. Your glory shines brightly in all 4 ages. You protect saints and devotees and destroy demons. Ashtasiddhi Naunidhi ke data, Aswardeen Janaki Mata. Mother Sita bestowed upon Hanuman the boon to grant siddhis, mystic powers, and 9 nidhis, treasure of wealth and prosperity, to his devotees. Ram Rasayan tumre pasa, sada raho Raghupati ke dasa. Tumre bhajan Ram ko paave, janam janam ke dukh bisrave. You hold the divine devotion to Lord Rama and remain his eternal servant. Singing your name leads one to Lord Ram and removes sorrows. अंतकाल रघुवर पुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई. और देवता चित्त न धरई, हनुमत सेई सर्व सुख करई. Devotees reach Lord Ram's abode and reborn as his devotees. One need not pray to other gods, as prayers to Hanuman reach all other gods and desires are fulfilled. संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरै हनुमत बलबीरा. जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई. Whoever remembers Hanuman gets liberated from all adversities and pains in life. Victory to Hanuman, my supreme Guru, bless me. जो सतबार पाठ कर कोई, छूट ही बंदी महासुख होय. जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा. Reading Hanuman Chalisa 100 times frees one from bondage and brings happiness. Whoever reads with faith and devotion, their wishes are fulfilled and problems removed by the blessings of Lord Shiva. तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा, कीजे नाथ हृदय महडेरा. पवन तनय संकट हरण, मंगल मूर्ति रूप. राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप. Tulsidas requests Hanuman to stay in his heart along with Ram, Lakshman and Sita. Regular reading of Hanuman Chalisa removes fear, gives strength and wisdom, brings peace, clears obstacles, protects from evil and illness and grants divine blessings. Hope you all enjoyed this Bommagalu. Thank you for watching and see you next year.